AI will never replace lawyers. And let me tell you why. Guess who makes the laws? Lawyers. A bunch of politicians, mainly everybody in Congress, the Florida legislature, they're lawyers. They're never gonna allow some type of artificial intelligence to replace lawyers. Let's talk about the business of law. The business of law, or the practice of law, is so conservative. It's very draconic, meaning that unless we can 100% make sure that the AI tools are correct, that there are no faults, and then it's gonna give out 100% good information every time, no Florida legislation, the Florida Supreme Court is not gonna go with having AI replace a lawyer. Now, AI can support lawyers, can also support people that cannot afford a lawyer. So do I think that AI will replace lawyers? No, but there's a lot of self-represented individuals in the state of Florida that cannot afford having an attorney. For those people, having a tool like AI could be very beneficial, especially when drafting documents, drafting letters to the court that may be in the case, or otherwise getting some information with regards to the law. So do I think that it's gonna progress the practice of law? I definitely believe so. Do I think that we would ever replace lawyers? I don't believe so, just because the way the politics are. Also, there's many contingencies in the law that make it that a computer or artificial intelligence cannot just go through every scenario. And in order to do it correctly, in order to do it 100%, you will have to be a lawyer to be able to give the AI system all the tools and all the prompts necessary to give you the right response. Always consult on a lawyer unless technology advances to another level, which is still in the beginning stages. I don't see AI replacing lawyers anytime soon. My name is 𝐂𝐨𝐵 Roman, and I'm a state planning and probate attorney out of Miami, Florida.